Hi guys, welcome to PI Yoga. I am Priyanka Nair and thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you all are doing good and taking all the precautionary measures. In today's video, I will be talking about stress. Yes, we all are going through a stressful situation and we all experience, I think we all go through stress or we all experience stress at least once in a day minimum. So we are going to talk about stress, know what exactly stress is and how it affects our mental and physical health and what can we do to take care of it. So let's start with what exactly stress is. Stress is nothing but a feeling of emotional or physical tension. It can be caused because of a certain event or a person, a situation, a thought or even a memory which makes us feel angry, nervous, anxious, or even frustrated at times. Stress is your body's way of reacting or dealing with a situation or a challenge. There are two types of stress. One is an acute stress, the other one is chronic stress. Let's talk about acute stress first. Acute stress can also be termed as shutdown stress because it comes and it goes away quickly. What happens when you face or when you go through an acute stress? The body has its way of dealing with the situation. So when you are put in a situation, the body is going to release certain hormones. These hormones are going to make your brain stay alert and active. It makes your muscles tense. It brings your heart rate up. The breathing is different. This is just your body's way of reacting or dealing with the situation, which is a good thing because that is what it's needed in that particular situation. For example, when you're appearing for an exam or an interview or you're meeting someone new, you are doing an activity which is new and exciting. So these are the examples of acute stress. It comes and it goes away quickly. Let's talk about chronic stress. Any form of stress that stays for weeks or months can be termed as chronic stress. Like we discussed about acute stress, the body releases certain hormones to deal with the situation. In chronic stress, the body is still releasing those hormones because it thinks that you are in a stressful situation even though you are not. That's when you know that you are in the chronic stress stage. Chronic stress can lead to different mental and physical health problems. If you already have or if there is an existing physical or mental health problem, it is only going to make it worse. So it's very important to identify the form of stress that is there and to work accordingly. There are certain things that you can do when you are in a stressful situation. For example, staying positive. I know it becomes difficult when you are in that situation to stay positive or to remind yourself to stay positive. You will be like, अरे वैसी ही situation खराब है and she is asking me to stay positive. नहीं होता है. I agree, नहीं होता है, but that is how you're going to train your mind, right? So you need to tell yourself that okay, it is a situation, it is going to pass, nothing is permanent. Remind yourself, there is a phrase, this too shall pass. Remind it. Use it in your life, place it in your room, stick it on the wall, write it down in the book, however it works. That is the first step. Remind yourself to stay positive because nothing lasts forever. Change or bring a change in your lifestyle. Eat healthy, stay healthy, sleep well. If you have a hobby, work on it, develop it. You want to learn a new form of art, please do that. Go for a walk, swim, run, practice yoga. Yoga has proven to be very effective and beneficial. So practice yoga, meditation, pranayam. You can listen to music, you can start cleaning, decluttering, because it's like a way of releasing or letting go of all the negativity. So it's a good practice. Do whatever makes you feel better. That is the only thing. And last but not the least, if you need to get an expert's advice, if you need to go and meet a counselor, if you need to confide it, please do that. Either it's a friend, it's a professional, an expert, please do that. These are the things that you can do to take care of your mental and physical health. Remember, because if stress is going to be there and if it is going to be a chronic stress, it is going to affect your physical and mental health. Examples of physical health problems caused by stress is very basic, like diabetes, high blood pressure, obesity, PCOS, PCOD, thyroid. These are certain examples of the physical problems that can be caused by stress. The mental health problems that's caused by stress, it's very common, like depression and anxiety. Even though it's common, people don't talk about it. There is a certain taboo. I don't know why, but there is. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about depression and anxiety. That is the need of the hour. People don't talk about it. So we are going to talk about the mental health problem caused by stress. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video useful. I will see you soon with the next video where I will be talking about stress and where I will be talking about depression and anxiety. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practicing yoga. If you practice yoga or any form of physical activity that you do, please do that, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. See you soon. Bye.